It doesn't start with the weight, it starts with the breath, with coming back to myself. Every rep starts long before the movement. It begins with a decision, quiet and consistent. It's not about going harder every day, it's about going regardless. Progress is built in silence, not in spotlight. Every drop of sweat is a decision kept. You won't always be motivated, so be consistent instead. Show up for the version of you that's still becoming. Motherhood didn't pause my power, it just rewired it. Some days feel strong, some feel slow, but every day I move, and that's what matters. I'm not chasing who I was, I'm becoming someone stronger. One quiet decision made 115 times in a row today. Still showing up, still rising, no days off. Cool down is my thank you to the body that showed up. I moved for the strength, I stretched for the healing. The work doesn't end with effort, it ends with intention. My power doesn't peak in intensity, it lasts in control. Stretching isn't slowing down, it's staying with myself. This moment, right here, is where I absorb what I just became. Getting 1% stronger, better, and wiser every single day.